JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds are packed with features that take your listening experience to the next level. I've been using them for a bit now, and I'm excited to break down what makes these stand out, from the sound quality to the unique smart charging case. Let's dive in. JBL keeps it clean and simple with their packaging. Right up front, you'll find the sleek black case holding Tour Pro 3 earbuds. First impressions, this case feels premium with a nice matte finish that doesn't show fingerprints too easily. It's compact but solid, and it's easy to see that JBL has put thought into both the design and feel. JBL includes several sets of silicone ear tips, so we have options to find the perfect fit. There is also a pair of foam ear tips, which give an extra snug fit and better passive noise isolation. You'll also find some paperwork, a USB-C charging cable, and JBL has included both aux and USB-C cables to connect the smart charging case to other audio sources. I'll get more into that feature in just a bit. Now, let's take a closer look at that smart charging case, because this is easily one of the standout features of the JBL Tour Pro 3. It's not your average charging case. JBL has added a 1.57-inch touchscreen display that lets you control so many aspects of your earbuds right from the case itself. You can check what song's playing, skip tracks, control the volume, adjust ear tip sound settings, ambient sound modes, tweak sound settings, and so on. You can also see who's calling, get app notifications, and even personalize the screen with your favorite photo, which adds a nice personal touch. The case also has a dynamic lock screen that shows information like battery status, time, and so on. It is super convenient if you like to keep your phone tucked away and rely on the case for updates. The screen is bright and responsive, and it makes the case feel like a mini control center for your earbuds. Another really unique feature of this case is that it can act as a wireless audio transmitter. Using the included aux or USB Type-C cables, you can plug the case into devices like a TV, a gym machine, or airplane entertainment system, and it will wirelessly transmit the audio to your earbuds. It's simple, but makes the earbuds versatile for those situations where Bluetooth isn't an option. Plus, there is an autocast feature that lets you share your audio with other nearby devices, which is perfect for sharing music or watching something with someone else. Now, let's get into the sound quality. JBL didn't skim here. Each earbud has a hybrid dual driver setup, a balanced armature driver for those crystal clear highs, and a 10.2mm dynamic driver that delivers deep and punchy bass. This combination creates a rich, layered sound. The bass is powerful but doesn't overpower the mids or highs, making the overall sound well balanced. These earbuds also support high-res audio through LDAC, which is Android's 24-bit high-resolution codec. This lets more data pass through than standard Bluetooth, so you can get that studio-quality audio experience wirelessly. Vocals are rich and natural, and you can easily pick out individual instruments, making it a fantastic listening experience. I noticed a real depth in sound, especially across genres like folk, classic rock, pop, alternative, and hip-hop. Listening to artists like Bob Dylan, Johnny Cash, and Skylar Grey, I could pick up on every nuance. The texture in Dylan's voice, the warmth of Cash's guitar, and the expressive, layered quality of Grey's vocals. These earbuds capture all the subtle details that make each artist sound unique, letting you experience the full emotion and atmosphere of their music across different styles. These earbuds capture all those little details that make these artists so captivating, letting you feel the full emotion and authenticity of their music. Overall, these are some of the best sounding earphones I've used, but that's no surprise. JBL consistently delivers outstanding sound quality, and they keep raising the bar every year. Another highlight is the JBL Spatial 360 sound with head tracking. This feature takes stereo audio and creates an immersive surround sound effect, especially cool for movies or games. With head tracking enabled, the sound seems fixed in space, so as you move your head, the perspective shifts slightly, making the audio feel even more realistic. JBL's True Adaptive Noise Cancelling 2.0 is another feature worth mentioning. This isn't just standard noise cancellation, it is adaptive and it calibrates itself based on your surroundings. So if you are on a busy street or in a quiet room, the earbuds adjust the level of cancellation to block out just the right amount of background noise. You can also fine-tune the level of noise cancellation in the JBL Headphones app, allowing for more or less of the outside world as needed. All of the JBL Tour Pro 3's smartest features are at your fingerprints with the free JBL Headphones app. Once downloaded, you can dive into customizing everything from EQ settings to adaptive noise cancelling, so you can tailor the sound exactly to your preferences. The app also lets you adjust ambient sound control settings and even check for the best ear tip fit, which really helps optimize sound isolation and comfort. Beyond sound control, the app offers gesture customization, so you can decide how the earbuds respond to taps, making them more intuitive to use. You can also adapt the audio output to better suit music or video content, letting you get the most out of whatever you're listening or watching. And if you want to personalize your smart charging case, the app has options for that too. You can upload one of your favorite photos as the case's wallpaper, choose the screen language, and select which feature shortcuts you want quick access to directly from the case. Overall, it's a powerful app that gives you complete control over your earbuds from sound to style. Battery life on the JBL Tour Pro 3 is impressive. With ANC off, you can enjoy up to 11 hours of playback on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 3 full charges, bringing the total to 44 hours. If you prefer using ANC, you'll get around 8 hours on a single charge, with the case adding 3 more full charges for a total of 32 hours. When you are in a hurry, a quick 10 minutes charge gives you an extra 3 hours of listening time, which is perfect for those last-minute boosts before heading out. Plus, the JBL Tour Pro 3 supports wireless charging, making it easy to keep powered up without needing to plug in. I've been really impressed by the call quality on the JBL Tour Pro 3. With 6 mics and JBL's Crystal AI algorithm, these earbuds make my voice sound clear and natural even outdoors. Each earbud has 2 outer microphones that pick up my voice perfectly, while an inner mic blocks out background noise. I tested these on a windy day, and the windproof design kept my voice clear without distortion. And being Zoom certified, these earbuds have been great for virtual meetings too. The JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds are ideal for anyone who values great sound, convenience, and a bit of innovation. The smart charging case with its touchscreen and dongle capability is a game changer. The sound quality is one of the best, and with features like spatial audio and adaptive noise cancellation, they are versatile and reliable. These are officially my new favorites and easily some of the best earphones I've ever used. Whether you are a music lover, a frequent traveler, or someone who appreciates a high-tech listening experience, these earbuds are absolutely worth considering. So that's it for my review of the JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.